There's 7 habits of highly effective Christians. Galatians chapter 5 outlines 9 fruits or habits of the Spirit. Before these fruits become evident in our outer world, they firstly have to become evident within the inner world of our minds. Through combining some of these first fruits of the Spirit, we can create 7 city strongholds of the new mind. These 7 gateway cities are designed to rule your mind and to direct everything about who you are and what you do. The metropolis of love is the greatest of all cities within the new mind. 1 Corinthians 13 says, these 3 remain, faith, hope, and love, of which love is the greatest. The metropolis of love is a noisy city. There's a sound of celebration going on the streets of this city. It's celebrating everything about who you are and whose you are. It's warding off the sound of the fallen mind of competition and comparison, and it replaces it with the sound of love, with the sound of affirmation, and with the sound of the Song of Songs. My beloved is mine, and I am his, and his banner over me is love.